favorite place again, the garage. Today I'm working on a car that I've had for like 10 years, but I don't really drive it much. Well, when it was running, I never used to drive it much. I used to drive it to training every now and again, but my friends used to drive it a lot more. And what happened to that car is that I installed a sound system in it. I didn't do it myself. I installed a sound system in it and caught on fire when my friend was driving it. But it didn't burn the car, it just burned the computer. So to find a computer for that car was very difficult. So it's been parked for 8 years now in the garage. So this car is a smart car. You know, it's that tiny like this, tiny car that was made by Mercedes. I always have some crazy ideas about engines to put in cars. So I mean, I didn't go too crazy with this one, but I managed to fit a D series engine in it from a Honda Civic. That engine conversion, you know, it took a lot of work. I didn't do it myself, you know. I can't do welding work and all that stuff, you know, but you know, I help with a lot of the stuff, and since then I've been doing everything on my own. You know, I got it to a certain point, then I'm doing everything on my own. So now it's been sitting because axles need to be done, and the welder came yesterday and he got the axles and he's going to fix them. So that's why I'm making this video now. I'm gonna start working on that car again. So let me show you this little tiny thing. Let me close the door. I might put back the back on it today. Let me close the door so you can see how small it is. This is the entire car. All of this, pretty much one door. Yeah, so it's a very small car, but like I said, I put a Honda engine in it. I cut all of this. I did this though. Cut up all of the car, cut out everything. And mash it up. I messed it up big time, but I know we can, you know, we can fix this up and let it look well done and all that stuff. But yeah, this is the engine. This is my racing team that we created a few years ago, Mad Squad. It's upside down now, but it says Mad Squad Racing. So that's my racing team. We changed it to stick shift. So I installed the clutch in it. This was automatic. I installed the clutch. One annoying problem that I have is the gas tank. The gas tank. I'm always having gas tank problem. Because I put this engine in the car, the fuel tank won't, this part won't fit anymore. So I might have to cut it right here and use like rubber hose to reroute it up in the car. So today I want to put this exhaust manifold on the car. This is what I'm going to try and install today, but the AC compressor is in the way, so I want to try and remove the AC compressor so I can install this exhaust manifold. And Alicia said she wants me to make fitters, so I might end up go upstairs, make some fitters, then come back and install this. So yeah guys, I'm in the kitchen. I'm the chef. Alicia has to stand by and what? Alicia cleaning, mopping, and I'm cooking. Because she don't know how to cook like me.
Oh, okay, chef.
That's what it is. That's what it is, right?
Alright, chef. Sure thing.
So yeah guys, I'm making fritters.
But wait, I want pepper in mine, sir.
Yo, what kind of pepper? So guys, you can tell me. I don't know if I should add baking powder when I'm making the fritters, but I mean, I'm gonna put a little bit in it. You guys can tell. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But
Sir,
no,
let's
money.
cut this in mine. Sorry to interrupt.
Yo, where I go down them something else?
It's for mine. I like spice.
Yo, brother. Alright.
Oh no.
So guys, you know what?
I mean, go the other
So
way.
because I'm not sure, I'm just gonna put a little toots.
Oh no.
A little toots. Alicia was trying to clean before Annie get here, but he's too fast. Amik is too fast. So yeah guys, making fritters.
Did you wash it?
Hmm?
Did you wash it?
Wash it?
Yeah.
I think you wash it, man.
No, I didn't wash it.
No, that's correct, man. This is what I'm gonna tell you, I'm not like anything. So Miguel, let's use one string. Hmm?
Sure, you're the chef.
I use one string.
I can't believe you're gonna give me dirt to eat from your garden. I look like I need to grow some more fertilizer.
So babe, we use one string. Let's use one string here. Isn't that enough?
You're the chef. I mean, you're ruining my whole mopping vibrant though. Everywhere I mop, you walk.
Yeah. Not like something I'm gonna like cut up them things. I'm gonna work with the pot, but just leave me out like cutting up stuff. We need flour and all of that. We need flour and all them things though. Yeah guys, top chef at it. Top chef at it. At his best. Alright, I'll put the pepper in the rest. I think as some mad people love pepper. Not looking too bad, guys. Not looking too bad. Alicia, it's looking awesome. What do you think?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
It's
good. You alone eating and all that? You alone eating all that stuff in your face?
Yeah, could have used some more pepper though. Could have used the entire.
Which pepper that? No, sir.
Right?
You mad?
I only could use the pepper. But,
Alright, boss. So I'm gonna go work on my car now.
Good job. Good job with breakfast.
Work off the camera. I just forgot to turn the camera on. As you can see, I put the back bumper and the front bumper on, and it's on the wheels. The next move, I'm going to fit up the front bumper. This car is sitting a bit too low, so I might raise it. But yeah, I mean progress. Some progress. I'm going to get some gas, try start it up, and see. It needs some axles. So I have some axles being modified right now, and hopefully, yeah, we can get this thing running. This is still on the ground. It's a little bit too big. Inside the car is so small. You guys, I have to put the factory one back on it for now, until we can modify that one so it can fit.
So what are you doing to the smart car? You're making it smarter?
Yeah, exactly. Making it smarter and faster.
Smart car is dusty though. Dusty.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Sir, Amit, you have a little helper here. Your big head is blocking the view. Of what you're doing. You're working on your car also? Amik's watching you a little too much here. Fixing it? called? The side skirts?
Yeah.
So last night I was actually shocked. You came to bed early, you know. He started working on this project again. He's given it a break for a bit, so I didn't expect him to come to bed. When I came down here and seen what he was doing, I said, oh, okay, he's not gonna come to bed till like 11.
Boy, that's what you think of me?
That's what you normally do. So I said, he's in his zone. Let him do his thing. Let me find a movie to watch. And by surprise, he was in bed early.
That's what you think of me?
This looks like some serious bad boy engine. Mad squad. You were showing it earlier? Mm-hmm.
Racing squad.
Racing squad. The car needs some caressing. Mm-hmm. Like me. Mm-hmm. Like me.
Well, normally when I'm done working on the car, I always see some extra screws lying around. I don't know where they're supposed to go. But everything seems to be fine. So, extra screws, I guess they can just continue being extra. Extra, read all about it. Sweat dripping all over my body.
You look like you need a haircut.
Hmm?
You look like you need a haircut.
A haircut?
Yeah, look at this.
I need a
Look at the sweat, guys.
I need a
Sweaty man.
I need a do-rag.
For what?
Hmm?
For what?
Waves. Need a do-rag for my waves.
Please.
Yeah, the car coming together.
Excited? So what are you gonna do with this car when it's done? Racing?
Awesome.
What's it for?
Just drive.
Oh.
You don't want to learn to drive a stick.
Oh, this is, geez, that's more stress. That sounds like stress. That sounds like stress. Not bad. Ami, what's in your mouth? Hello.
It's not so bad.
So what's that? What do you have there? What's that?
Got some risky business going on here. Look for them where the battery is too big to fit in there, and the cables are very short, so I have to make some cables. And then the fuel tank, I just kind of put it underneath the car and run 2 hoses. Let me see. Flick. Nothing. Wait, man, I get no current here, so. Alright. Seems like we have a loose wire right here. So let's try and hook this up and try and do 2 loose wires. Which one go on which? Jesus. Okay, guys, I think I'll put the wires together. Wait, hold on, everything turn on. What this lock off again? Hold it. I've got to plug this in. So I'm plug it in now. Everything sounds. Let's go for it. Not enough fuel tonight. Yeah, that little bit of fuel where Jimmy bike can not, you know. running out real fast, so I had to shut it off. But yeah, starts and it sounds good. Last time, I realized the car was in gear, so I put it in neutral so the oil doesn't leak again. Yeah, so waiting on the axles now and some work on the exhaust system because that's too loud. And yeah, we'll go take it for a test drive. It needs to tune. I have a computer for it to tune it. So yeah, just axles, test drive, and then tune, and this car will be ready again. Guys, this has to work on the car. No matter what, I'm gonna make sure that this works. It's too pretty. The welder have to do some work. I mean, this is so pretty. You know. 1320. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so this is one of my other projects that I have working on, one of the many. So hopefully I can get it done soon. So, I mean, I think I'm working on too many cars at once. That's why I can't finish anything. Working on too many cars. So I need to focus on one, and then I can get that one done, then move on to the next one. But trust me, car guys will know, will understand what I'm saying. Very cute little car. Look at it. Look at the little, look at Toopsie. Very cute. He's excited about the car. He's going to give it a little wipe down. Yeah, no big wash, just a little wipe down. So you can see the beauty of it when it's done. It's looking a lot better now. The dust is off. Still need a little detailing, but yeah man, it's looking way better. So guys, thanks for watching me work on my little smart car. As you can see, smart, just like me. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for updates on this car.